Is your Caterpillar 3406E overheating, running rough, or showing signs of a misfire? Leading to an injector cup failure from compression in your fuel system, worn O-rings, or a faulty injector hold-down bolt, taking you off the road and money out of your pocket. It's time to put an end to your troubles and find your complete solution. Contact the experts at Highway and Heavy Parts, where we provide technical service, accurate parts ordering, and fast shipping, getting you back on the road. Experience the difference Highway and Heavy Parts can do for you and your diesel engine. Like this remanufactured fuel injector for the Caterpillar 3406E. Each injector is fully disassembled, thoroughly inspected, and all critical components are replaced. Control valves are rebuilt and dimensioned back to OE specifications, flow tested, and reground to ensure proper sealing and atomization. Nozzles come with a new tip and new O-rings are installed before packaging. All components are calibrated for optimal flow, internal pressure, and timing of the injector that meets or exceeds OEM specifications. Quality, increased efficiency, and power. Backed by a 1-year unlimited mileage warranty and expert advice from our ASE certified technicians. Connect with Highway and Heavy Parts for industry-leading technical expertise, quality diesel parts, fast shipping, providing you with one complete solution. Order now by calling 844-447-1453 or visit us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts.